Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off eye tracking on iPhone iOS 18. So if you're done with the eye tracking feature on your device and you just want to turn this off, guys, this is a quick guide on how to disable it in your iOS. So first things first, of course, open up the settings app. So unlock your iPhone and tap on the settings app, then scroll down and select accessibility from the list. And then under the physical and motor section, what you're going to do, guys, is you want to tap on eye tracking and then toggle off the eye control option. And this will disable all eye tracking features, including scrolling, okay? And then once it's turned off, guys, you'll no longer be able to control your device with your eyes. And that's it, guys. You have successfully turned off eye tracking on your iPhone. So I hope this guide provided any value to you. If it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.